Ladies and gentlemen, DJ B with an SZ2. This particular unit came in with bad USB. So both USBs, A and B, does not work. We're going to power it on. And we're going to try to see what's going on. So check it out. USB, both, A. Just keep blinking. And if you look at the settings here, everything's on USB. All USB. Every channel is on USB. And we're plugged into B. Actually, plug into A. We're going to go to B just for the hell of it. And guess what? It's the same thing. So, does not matter. And even here, we got B selected for the crossfader. I mean, literally, doesn't matter what you do. And here goes Serato, doesn't show. And I'm also going to launch the, let's see, we're going to try to launch this. Let me run the program here. Yep, there he goes. So the SZ, this is the utility. And there you go. Utility can't even see it. It's not recognized. So even I tried to install the driver. Serato doesn't see it. I mean, it's literally a loss. I feel there's definitely some issues. I even tried different USB cables. Same thing. So we think it's board related. So we're going to take this thing apart. Check out the board that controls the USB to see if we see anything funny. Okay, with the covers removed, first thing I like to do is check for any liquid damage. I don't see any liquid anywhere in the bottom of this controller cover. So that means the issue is not liquid damage. So we're going to move on to checking the USB connector, which let's see. Oh, right there. See that? I think that's the board. Controls USB and it goes right in here. So if that is not the problem, it's got to be this main board here that controls it. So we're going to start with that first. Okay, just got this baby under the microscope. It looks good. I mean, don't see anything wrong. So yeah, everything looks good. Nice and clean. Nothing is bent. Everything's perfect. I believe it's on the main board. So we're going to bring this back. And next, this is the board we got to start analyzing. So upon further troubleshooting, I'm unable to figure out what is wrong with this board, right? So we know the USB connector is right here. This is where all the USB data and power and everything comes in. And I've tested all of these resistors and capacitors, everything on this area, trace it down. I did the most that I could. Even on the other side of the board, I tested everything. I cannot get this board, I cannot get this USB to work. It will not get detected by the computer. So for that reason, I had to get another board, right? And this is a good one. I write comments on these boards, so I don't confuse them. But this board is working. I've replaced it. Just want to let you guys know it's a very expensive board. The cheapest you could get is around $400. So this board could go up to $1,200 in some places they have it listed, just because it's hard to get. But this board is working. We're gonna give it a quick test. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Pioneer website and search for DDJ SZ2 drivers. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to download the latest SZ2 drivers. So let's see what we have here. So we have a firmware. We also have the drivers. We're going to start with the drivers. And wait for it to come down. Take a little slow, take a little long. Okay, there we go. So we need drivers right here. And this is going to be for Sonoma or higher. Yep. Unzip. Okay, we'll do all that. So there goes download. And that's it right there. So before we get started, we're going to check our applications folder to see if we have any existing Pioneer DDJ SZ2, which we don't. So it's not installed. Because we don't have it installed, we're going to go ahead and try to install this. And extract it. And I can also run the uninstall application if I have it installed and it's not working right. But in this case, we're just going to go ahead and try to install it. Agree. Install. Put my password. And let's get this driver installed. Okay, it's installed. So I'm going to keep it. Eject this. Let's eject everything that I have pre-open here. And next thing, I want to click on this login item here because I want to run the utility. We want this utility to be running. And it should be in the application folder. So back to the application folder, we're going to find our SZ2 and we're going to run it. Okay, it's running. So my next thing now is I'm going to connect the controller and turn it on. Put it back, accept the knobs. I also had to fix this Q that was not working, not lighting up, and not toggling. So we're going to be testing all of that now to make sure we got everything up. But let's see if the USB is recognized. Yes, yes. It's reading it. It found it. Beautiful. Okay, let's test this Q button that I replaced. Yes, working. Oh, yes. Beautiful. So this controller is literally 100%. Everything's working. Yep. Everything is working. Yep. So I'm going to put these knobs back, and we're going to do a quick little test. Knobs have been placed. All the knobs are good. Everything is all set in the middle. I'm going to keep master very low. Let's try to play something. Hear that? Guys, this is great. Everything's working. I am super happy, and we're going to call this repair completed. But like I said, if you know how to fix this board, let me know. If you know how to fix this USB issue, let me know, because this board is very expensive. I'm going to be saving this for a day that I'm able to fix that USB problem. But for now, we are done with this repair, and calling it a night. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe for more videos.